I love Big Cook Little Cook, and I'm wearing an apron just like Jen's. If you'd like to make one for your teddy, here's what you'll need. You will need felt, scissors, a large lid, fun foam, paint, glue, ribbon, a ruler, a pen, 2 paper plates, and 2 paintbrushes. First, we need to make the apron. Get a piece of felt that will be big enough to make the size of the apron you want for your teddy. Fold it in half and draw the shape of your apron. Then get a grown-up to cut out your shape, because remember, scissors are sharp. Next, you need some ribbon to make the apron ties. Mine are about 30 centimetres long. You also need a ribbon for the top of the apron to go over your teddy's head, so I've cut this piece to 40 centimetres. Now glue the ribbon to the sides and the top of the apron. It's time to decorate, so get a big lid from your recycling and wash it so it's clean. Now this is the fun part, as you get to decide what shapes you want. I picked an orange, just like the oranges on Jen's apron. To make the orange, I've drawn a circle on some fun foam. I've added some leaves on the top and cut it out. Remember to ask for a grown-up's help, because scissors are sharp. Once you have your shape, glue it to your lid. Once this is dried, you can paint your stamp. I'm painting mine orange and green. Firmly press down on the apron. Try not to move it. Why not ask a grown-up for help? You can repeat this as many times as you like. Then all you need to do is let it dry. Oh, you look great, Teddy!